Fall is one of the most enjoyable seasons to decorate, and your kitchen deserves just as much attention as your living room. In 2026, cozy kitchens are all about warm colors, natural textures, seasonal accents, and practical decor that makes everyday cooking feel even more inviting. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now let's get started. Why should you decorate your kitchen for fall? The kitchen is often called the heart of the home because it's where family meals, conversations, and holiday preparations happen. Adding autumn decor creates a welcoming atmosphere that makes even simple daily routines feel warmer, cozier, and more festive throughout the season. Do you decorate your kitchen for fall? Comment below. How can I decorate my kitchen without spending much? Small changes make the biggest impact. Swap dish towels, add seasonal mugs, display mini pumpkins, place candles on trays, and use inexpensive faux leaves or pine cones. Budget-friendly updates can completely refresh the space without replacing your existing decor. Love decorating on a budget? Share this idea. How can I style open kitchen shelves for autumn? Mix practical kitchen essentials with seasonal accents such as ceramic pumpkins, wooden cutting boards, amber jars, stacked cookbooks, and small fall floral arrangements. Layering different heights creates shelves that feel curated instead of cluttered. Like this if you love open shelving. What seasonal textiles should I add? Changing fabrics is one of the easiest seasonal updates. Plaid dish towels, waffle weave hand towels, cozy runners, chair cushions, and linen napkins instantly bring warmth and texture to the kitchen. Would you switch your kitchen textiles for fall? How can I decorate my kitchen table? A simple centerpiece featuring pumpkins, candles, eucalyptus, wheat stems, or fresh mums creates an inviting dining space. Keep arrangements low enough so family members can comfortably talk across the table. Save this centerpiece idea for later. What decorations work best above kitchen cabinets? If you have space above your cabinets, decorate with baskets, lanterns, faux vines, vintage pictures, or seasonal garlands. Keeping the decor balanced prevents the kitchen from feeling overcrowded. Do you decorate above your cabinets? What decorating mistakes should I avoid? Avoid filling every surface with seasonal items or choosing decorations that interfere with cooking. Functional kitchens always look better when decor enhances the space instead of reducing usability. Minimal or full seasonal decor? Tell us below. What farmhouse kitchen trends are popular in 2026? White ceramics, reclaimed wood, woven baskets, black metal accents, vintage scales, and neutral pumpkins continue to define modern farmhouse kitchens. The style feels warm without becoming overly rustic. Farmhouse or modern kitchen, which is your favorite? What makes a fall kitchen truly feel like home? The most memorable kitchens combine comfort, warmth, and personal touches. Seasonal scents, cozy textures, natural decor, and family traditions create a space where everyone enjoys gathering throughout autumn. Which fall kitchen idea inspired you the most? Comment below. What DIY kitchen decorations are easy to make? Hand-painted wooden signs, mason jar centerpieces, dried orange garlands, cinnamon stick candle holders, and personalized recipe displays are simple DIY projects that add a handmade autumn touch. Which DIY project would you make first? What lighting creates a cozy autumn kitchen? Warm pendant lights, under-cabinet lighting, candles, and small table lamps create a welcoming glow. Soft lighting makes the kitchen feel comfortable during early autumn mornings and cozy evenings. What's your favorite cozy lighting idea? What DIY kitchen decorations are easy to make? Hand-painted wooden signs, mason jar centerpieces, dried orange garlands, cinnamon stick candle holders, and personalized recipe displays are simple DIY projects that add a handmade autumn touch. Which DIY project would you make first? How can I decorate my kitchen without spending much? Small changes make the biggest impact. Swap dish towels, add seasonal mugs, display mini pumpkins, place candles on trays, and use inexpensive faux leaves or pine cones. Budget-friendly updates can completely refresh the space without replacing your existing decor. Love decorating on a budget? Share this idea. How can I decorate a small kitchen for fall? Focus on one or two areas, such as the countertop and dining table. Choosing a few larger statement pieces instead of many small decorations keeps the kitchen feeling open and organized. Decorating a small kitchen? Save this tip. What seasonal kitchen accessories make the biggest difference? Sometimes the smallest details create the biggest transformation. Swapping everyday items for autumn-inspired accessories like pumpkin-shaped cookie jars, ceramic mugs, wooden utensil holders, fall-themed dish towels, seasonal oven mitts, and decorative cutting boards instantly makes your kitchen feel warm and inviting. Displaying a bowl of apples, pears, or mini pumpkins on the counter also adds natural color while celebrating the harvest season. These simple updates are affordable, easy to change, and help bring cozy autumn charm into your kitchen without requiring a complete makeover. Which fall kitchen accessory would you add first? Comment below. How can I make my kitchen feel cozy throughout the entire fall season? A cozy fall kitchen is created by layering warmth into both the decor and the atmosphere. Combine soft lighting, natural wood accents, seasonal greenery, textured linens, candles, and autumn-inspired scents like cinnamon, apple, or vanilla. Keep countertops organized while adding a few meaningful seasonal decorations that reflect your personal style. Whether your kitchen is modern, farmhouse, or traditional, creating a balance between function and seasonal beauty will make it the heart of your home where family naturally gathers throughout the fall. Which fall kitchen decorating idea inspired you the most? Comment below. What are the must-have fall kitchen decorations for 2026? If you're starting from scratch, focus on a few timeless essentials that can instantly give your kitchen a cozy autumn makeover. A seasonal centerpiece, neutral or velvet pumpkins, warm-toned dish towels, a wooden tray with candles, faux fall florals, a rustic sign, and woven baskets are some of the biggest decorating trends for 2026. These versatile pieces work beautifully together and can easily transition from early fall through Thanksgiving, making them a smart investment for seasonal decorating year after year. Which fall kitchen decor essential is a must-have in your home? Comment below. Fall kitchen decorating in 2026 is all about blending beauty with everyday function. Whether you love farmhouse charm, modern simplicity, or cozy cottage style, a few thoughtful seasonal updates can transform your kitchen into one of the warmest and most welcoming rooms in your home. Like, comment, and follow for more 2026 fall decorating, DIY, and seasonal home inspiration.